My name is Yashar, aka YashXRamen, and I create. I'm the artist. I portray my people, and most importantly, my art is my command. What I'm saying is, I want people, when they see my art, I want my art to command people to possess a sense of self-love. I want them to love the features that they were taught to hate, like black kids especially. I want my art to be universal, and my whole style is all about the diversity of black people. That's my main subject matter. It will forever be. I believe I was about 4 or 5 years old. My dad, he was a truck driver. He actually still drives trucks, and he would be gone for a cool amount of time throughout the week. From that time when he would leave, he would grab one of our toys when we were asleep, and he would draw it. When we would wake up, he would be gone, but the drawing would be there of one of our toys, and we'd be like, oh, that's so cool, that's dope. And that inspired me to want to draw. I would draw these Super Saiyan characters, buff, characters lighter skin, more Eurocentric features. And my dad would be like, yo man, how come your art's cool and all, but how come you don't draw us? How come you don't draw people who look like me and you? And I'll tell him you don't see black people doing any cool shit on TV. And then he told me well, why don't you be the one to make that happen? Why don't you portray that? Something that everybody can see, not just black kids, but I want the whole world to see yo, black people can be more. They can be so much more. My art, black people doing extraordinary shit, then it's yo, if they can do it, I can do it. It serves as more of inspiration.